In the realm of spirituality, there's a man who stands tall, Paramahansa Yogananda, the author of the transformative Autobiography of a Yogi. This book, a beacon of wisdom, tells tales of yogic feats, transcendent states, and the power of manifesting thoughts into reality. One story speaks of Babaji, a yoga master who can materialize at will, demonstrating the limitless potential of the human mind. Imagine, if you will, the ability to physically manifest from thin air, a feat beyond the bounds of our physical world, yet within the reach of the disciplined mind. Paramahansa also introduces us to Nanda, a yogi who learned to control his heart rate, illustrating the profound connection between mind and body. This is yoga, not just asanas, but a holistic way of life. Remember, your words have power. Your thoughts shape your world. Speak your dreams into existence. Yoga is not just a practice, it's a journey to self-realization. This is but a glimpse into the world of Paramahansa Yogananda. Dive in, explore, and let the journey to self-discovery begin.